this video, we will be looking into the information bulletin on National Common Entrance Test 2023. The last date to apply for this test is 19 July 2023. You must all be aware of the changes that NPE 2020 is bringing to our school system. We are moving into a 5+3+3+4 design. So, to support this system, our teacher education system also has to be revamped. So, to do that, our government has come up with something called ITEP, that is Integrated Teacher Education Program, under which undergraduation plus B.Ed is offered as a single or a integrated program which is completed within a period of 4 years. So, previously undergraduation took us 3 years, plus if you go in for B.Ed it took 2 more years, 5 years. Now both the degrees together can be completed in 4 years. So, at the end of 4 years what we get is a dual degree program as well as it is a professional program. So, this program is a 4-year duration after grade 12 and it is responsive to 5+3+3+4 design. It is a dual degree program. Now, have a look at this state specialization. Every student who takes up this course has to take up one specialization out of the following. It has to be one of the 4 foundational stage specialization, preparatory stage, middle stage or secondary stage specialization. Now, how do we select our specialization? Candidates who want to become teachers of preschool to grade 2, they have to opt for foundational stage specialization. Those who want to teach grades 3 to 5 opt for preparatory stage specialization. For teaching grade 6 to grade 8, it is middle stage specialization, and those who want to teach grades 9 to 12, it is secondary stage specialization. Regarding eligibility, the candidate should have passed class 12th or equivalent examination or are appearing 2023. There is no particular age limit, but if you scroll down 3.3, they are saying year of appearance in qualifying examination. So, before you apply, kindly visit the website of the respective university and see if they have given any year of appearance for the qualifying examination. Also, whichever qualifying examination is there, that is +2, intermediate, pre-university, PUC, whatever it has to fall in one of these 7. Now, let us look at the examination scheme. The mode of examination is a computer based test. It is not a OMR sheet test. And the medium of examination can be in English as well as in many of the regional languages. The list is given here. Suppose we go in for English or English and Hindi, we can opt for any examination center in India. But if we go in for English and a regional language, the examination center is available only in that respective state. Like for example, if we opt for English and Assamese, the examination center falls only in Assam. Or if we opt for English and Odia, the examination center is only in Odisha. Next, the scheme of examination. There are 4 sections in this examination, section 1, 2, 3 and 4. All sections are compulsory, all questions are compulsory and there is negative marking. Section 1 deals with languages. Out of 33 different languages, we have to select 2 languages. So, 2 languages, language 1 and language 2 has to be selected. All questions will be compulsory. Section 2 relates to domain specific subjects. What are domain subjects? Domain subjects are those subjects which we would like to do our undergraduation in. So, out of a list of 26 domain specific subjects, we have to select 3 subjects and all questions which come from these subjects are all questions will be compulsory. Section 3 is a general test which is mandatory and there is no choice. All questions will be compulsory. Section 4 is teaching aptitude. In all, you will have a total of 160 questions which have to be attempted in 180 minutes and there will be negative marking. Now, let us look at this table. So, language 1 will be of 20 questions, language 2 is 20, teaching aptitude 20, general test 25, domain specific subjects 1, 2 and 3, all the subjects should be different from each other. 25 questions each, so 160 questions in 180 minutes. What are the languages and what are the subjects which we can select is given in this list. This is 2.5. So, out of these 33 languages, we can select 2 2 languages of our choice. Section 2 domain subjects, 26 subjects are given, out of which 3 subjects have to be selected. Section 3 and section 4 there is no choice, it is a mandatory course. The duration of the test is 180 minutes, and if you see the syllabus for the test, under languages we have reading comprehension, literary aptitude and vocabulary. General test has general knowledge, current affairs, general mental ability, numerical ability, quantitative reasoning, simple application of basic mathematical concepts, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, mensuration, statistics, logical and analytical reasoning. Now for the syllabus of the domain subjects, it is class 12th NCERT syllabus for domain subjects. Now for the subjects we have to go into the website ncet.summer.ac.in. Now I am clicking on this link, it will take us to the related website. Here we are. Now here I am clicking on syllabus. This is the syllabus for all the subjects. Now suppose I want to know what is the syllabus of legal studies. Click on view or download PDF. Legal studies syllabus. So this is the syllabus for legal studies. Like this every subject syllabus is given. Now suppose I want to know language. Syllabus languages section 1. This is the syllabus for the languages. Now let us go back. For examination centers we can opt for 2 cities. One is the state of permanent address and the other is the state of present address only. Suppose a center gets filled up, we may not be given a center of our choice, so hurry up and apply in advance. Also, if a center has inadequate number of candidates, the authorities have the right to cancel the center and we may be given some other center. The date of examination has not yet been notified. Mode of exam is computer based test mode. There will be 2 shifts, shift 1 and shift 2, 9 am to 12 noon. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. both 180 minutes. What subjects or what domain subjects we choose is our choice. Generally examination centers is also our choice, but shift we cannot choose because shift is allotted based on our subjects as well as the technical and administrative considerations. Now for the marking scheme, these 3 are important for us. For every correct answer 4 marks are awarded, and for every incorrect option -1 mark, that means there is negative marking. Unanswered or marked for review will be given no mark. Now this page is page number 52, appendix 1. Here you can see a list of central state universities which will be offering, which college is offering what course and what is the specialization and the number of seats that is given in this list. Like for example, suppose I want to know in Uttarakhand, the college is Department of Education, Birla Campus, Garhwal. The courses that are offered are BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed, BCom B.Ed. In all the 3 colleges, it is the specialization given is secondary specialization, and we have 50 seats each in each of them. Now in the same way, if I see Uttar Pradesh, the name of the college is Institute of Education and the courses offered are BA B.Ed and BSc B.Ed. So BCom B.Ed is not available, and the specialization is only preparatory stage specialization. You do not have the other specialization. The number of seats are 50 seats each. Now let us take one more example. Like if I go in for Jammu and Kashmir, Central University of Kashmir, the course offered is only BA B.Ed. So there is no BSc B.Ed, there is no BCom B.Ed, and the specialization is middle school specialization. Number of seats are 50. So before you apply for a college, first see what are the courses available in that college and what is the specialization, what is the level of specialization and the number of seats, and then only apply. This is page number 59 where you have the list of examination cities. So out of these cities we will be selecting 2 cities for our examination centers.